Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming captions exist because auto-translate needs subtitles to work. Open YouTube and sign in, then pick the video you want. Click the CC icon to enable captions and make sure the captions language matches the spoken language. Once done, click the gear settings icon to prepare language options. This is the essential prerequisite and the first actionable step. Enabling captions and accessing settings so you can choose auto-translate in the next step. Now you enable auto-translate. Open Settings, choose Subtitles/CC, and select Auto-Translate. You will see a long list of target languages. Pick the one you need. Make sure to confirm the original captions language if prompted, because accuracy depends on that match. If translations seem off, try switching to a different dialect or language variant. Also adjust caption size or playback speed to help comprehension. These tweaks improve readability, while the translation processes in the background. Finish by playing the video and watching for translated captions. If you don't see translations, toggle captions off and on or reload the page or app. Sometimes the feature needs a refresh. If problems persist, switch the original caption language to the closest match or choose a different target language. Accuracy often improves. As a tip, use user-uploaded captions when available because they translate better. If all else fails, consider downloading or requesting manual captions from the creator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.